Harare, no kufara, when you can.
Hello guys, welcome back to Z Music 263. We have an important announcement. Baba Harare has finally reviewed tracklist the album ravo rinonzi Repentance ikubira yo mangwana on the 22nd of July. Sukai, we are ready. The other thing that I have noticed is that Baba Harare has actually written on his profile that he is now a gospel artist. You know, it's something that is new, something that we have to actually get used to. The gospel musician those avanyora on his Instagram account. As you can see, on the gospel artist. Saka here's the track list. Let's get into it. Whatever. I'm sorry guys, it's another era. Saka Tombo says it's side. It's all about worshiping the Lord, you know. Saka kuta says GT piano. I'm sorry, so I'm going up aside. And as you can see, Abana song yakanyo on the Takesure remix. I know there are a lot of people that were posting Takesure remix, you know, featuring Takesure Zamar. Sukai ndio song yakaimbwa na Baba Harare na Takesure Zamar. Saka ya Tommy kumondu doti mimi song ya mukufarira pa. I know I'm sad madzinko, but ya mukufunga mimi kuti chave chinakidza ndei, because this is a new era for Baba Harare. He will be now, you know, be competing with some other gospel artists na Minister Michael Mahendere, iye Takesure Zamar, Janet Manyowa, and all those, you know, like the best Anatemba Lami, the best gospel artists them Zimbabwe. Saka my data to maji the most trending gospel songs of the week etc. Data to another are good dominator in that genre in Diani and so on. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. The song yambula kunyanyo nzwapa ndeipi yamchafunga uti chatora, you know, the kombe good nakidza zvekare zvekuti vanhu vachanakirwa vachipinda munyasha nayo ndeipi. Before I go, I just want to say congratulations to Baba Harare for reaching 1 million views on Mombasa Nairobi music video, the one that he featured Saint Flo. I know it's now history, he has transitioned, but you know what, this is to Baba Harare.
Ngoma zacho dzatinobika dzinonakidza vanhu vanofara. Ngoma zacho dzatinokaka asi tambe vasikana vanofara. Ona zvakutamba zvichida kuchinjana kunge mugiko wefidelity. Chiti Mombasa Nairobi.